Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying that GSC is pointing at the exact Blogger property. That matters because mismatched domains cause false 404s. Open coverage, then copy one 404 URL and run URL inspection to see crawl, index, and rendered status. While you inspect, make sure your custom domain DNS and Blogger settings are correct and that robots. TXT allows crawling, otherwise fixes won't register. Once done, export the 404 list so you can work methodically through each URL. Next, you tackle the actual fixes. For each broken URL, decide whether to restore the post, set a 301 redirect to a relevant page, or serve a proper 410 if gone permanently. Make sure canonical tags point to the preferred URL so Google won't index duplicates. In Blogger settings, you can enable custom robots. TXT and custom header tags, use them to allow important paths. After changes, update your sitemap, XML, and resubmit it in GSC. This prompts recrawl of prioritized URL. Finally, you validate fixes in GSC. Open each repaired URL and hit Validate Fix, then request indexing to speed reprocessing. Monitor coverage, crawl stats, and the sitemap report over the next 1-2 weeks to confirm 404 counts drop. If issues persist, check common blockers, cached CDN copies, lingering redirects, or DNS misconfigurations, and clear caches. One key troubleshooting tip. If Google still shows 404, confirm the live URL returns 200 in a private browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.